Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. I know. It's been a couple days, y'all. Christmas had me in a chokehold, okay? Like, when I got home on the 26th, of course I had to work, but after that, I did not want to do anything. So when you see this video, it is going to be a little late, but that's okay. What I wanted to show you all is my paycheck budget after getting paid, and I've already sent some money to my sister, and this is what's left: $1,574. And remember, I said my job did send the bonus money early. So what I'm trying to do, which why everything looks a little short. So what I'm trying to do is save the bonus money that I got. It wasn't much at all whatsoever. And of course, taxes. Whew, taxes. Taxes were a hot mess, but that's neither here nor there. So let's go ahead and see what may be for my paycheck. If I do need to take some money from the bonus money, I will do that. So first we got fixed expenses. So we're starting on this side first. So first we have AT&T for $35. We have term life. I normally would have set aside $22, but I noticed today that I did send $7 and some change to my savings. So I'm just pretty much putting that money back. For Google, December bill and January bill is already taken care of for $2.18 each. And then we have Netflix for $4. We have Cricket for $59. NES, my last NES bill that's due, well, was due, no, is due, in January. I had enough credit to pay everything but $6, so I'm just adding an extra $10 in, so $65. For State Farm, we have $129, and mortgage, which is rent, and the rest is for the home fund. So we have $922 with $652 left. After that, I actually went from here to savings, and this is last. So when it comes to debt, for the car, I did send Navy Federal $230. And if you're wondering what this is, did send the car $230, and the cup was from Danny's. So the cup was from Danny's box, and I just put a regular plastic straw because I don't have a glass straw. I'm sure it came with one, but I'm not really sure. I haven't went through everything just yet. Next, we have savings. For savings, we do have $150 for Allie, $5 for Navy Federal Savings, and Jasmine is up under my leg. And then we have $50 for SoFi. And I did invest $20, so altogether $225. And I'm sure you all are wondering, well, why can't I just, take some money from here? What I'm trying to do, and I'm trying to make sure this happens every 2 weeks. So how this is what I want to happen every 2 weeks. So we just want to pretend like we don't have this money at all whatsoever, and then I'm left with $197. So we still have food in the freezer. We have been eating leftovers. We haven't cooked anything since we got back home other than breakfast. So Jasmine, what are you doing? So with that 197, the 197 is going to go towards groceries, gas, and spending. Now, for spending, I know for a fact that I am giving or getting $20 worth of what? $20 worth of change for laundry. That way we're able to do laundry. And the rest is just for groceries, gas, and regular spending. So we'll see how long this 197 lasts. Hopefully it lasts quite a while. Hopefully I can avoid not, going anywhere or anything like that. If so, and if I do need some money, matter of fact, I do have money for saving challenges that I did. I'm so sorry, you all. Yeah, I literally just got off at 7:30 and I am ready to go to bed. But if I do need some money, I do have some money from saving challenges that I did complete. So if I need any money, what I want to do for the complete challenges, I'll whatever money is in the completed challenge, I can take from there. I'm trying to not use the money from the bonus or the money from my savings as well. So that's it. That's the budget. Let's see how to go about making it with $200 for 2 weeks. Well, today, yeah, 2 weeks. So let's see what happens. The only place I truly need to go is to Macy's to return something to get a refund. But other than that, I don't really have anywhere to go. I did sign up for more overtime. Actually, my job put out overtime, and we had overtime from today all the way until January the 14th. And y'all, I did get another bill from my dentist, so remember when I said I may have to pay $750? Yeah, I got that same amount back, so I'm just going to I can pay them with my health savings account. I got a nice amount of money in there set aside, so I can pay them with that and just go from there. But overall, this is the budget, and I am just using, a regular sheet of paper, nothing fancy at all, just something quick. And this is what it looks like. So hopefully I can keep all the money that I did set aside. And if I need to use any money, I'll just, like I said, use the savings challenge money. But that's it. That's all. In another video, I will go through and show you all the Happy Mail that I got sent to my mom's house. Remember, I did win a giveaway. I had that sent to my mom's house as well, along with the Simple Shops Christmas box that I got. So that's it. That's all. I hope you all have a great rest of your night, and I hope you all had a great time with your friends and family. Oh, I guess I could read you my Christmas cards. I didn't get much for Christmas, but I did get a few things. None too crazy. None too crazy at all. Oh, I also ordered a Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus with a cell phone case, and I got it from Amazon as a renewed device. On Amazon, if you do need a phone, they give you 90 days to, make sure everything is good with the phone, and you can return it if need be. So I'm going that route. I didn't pay too much for it. Taxes were crazy, but I'll just put a picture and show you what I got. So I got a lavender S23 Plus, and I got the S23 Plus because I wanted a phone with a bigger battery, of course, and the S23 and the S23 Plus The S23 Plus has a better battery, so I went that route. Of course, it has way more storage. Remember, Samsung did take away the memory card slot when they left, or when they not left off, when they stopped making the S20s. So I went that route. I think I spent five something. So all the money that I got for Christmas is going towards getting the phone, getting the case. Also, some of the money from the saving challenges is going to go towards that as well. And what I did was put it on my credit card that won't be due until February. So I have from now, December the 22nd, until, yeah, February. From now until February to come up with all the money. So I think I'm doing pretty good. Other than that, I hope you all have a great day. Bye.